Hey guys, Matthew here from Matchtech. In this video, I'm going to talk about the ONBEAT-500 from Divoom. It's the second generation wireless speaker. Let's get started. I hope you like the intro. Leave a like, comment and subscribe. It's totally free. Let's go. First impression, the box is very well built with premium materials. Raising the box, you would find two compartments, one for the speaker and one for the user manual, aux cable and the charging cable. So this doesn't come with a power adapter. We have to use maybe a phone adapter or any other adapter to charge the device. As you could see, the aux and the charging cable. We also get a user manual for extra guidance. Also, checking out the packaging of the Divoom speaker, it's very well packed. As you could see, it's having a nice Divoom logo, a shiny Divoom logo on the top, and removing the foam inside, we could reveal the ONBEAT-500. Yes, this is a very well built device. As you could see, premium materials. We could see this is made out of wood and also a speaker grill made out of metal. It's 20 watts output and it's having one woofer which sounds as 10 watts, so that gives good support to the two speakers. Also, looking around the device, we would find that it's all wood and metal, which is making it more premium. The ONBEAT-500 is very easy to pair via Bluetooth or NFC. I'm going to connect my device through Bluetooth and let's check the sound quality.
Even when the city's dark, baby, I'll be underneath your feet. I'll be wherever you are, baby. See where no one else can see. I love to be every night, girl, and every day. When you sleep and you're awake, I love to be your shadow. No need to be afraid, but you know, girl, I'm here to stay. I'll be there every step you take. Don't give up, nah, nah, nah. Let me just say.
Connecting the ONBEAT-500 via NFC is much more convenient, as you could just simply tap your NFC enabled device onto the speaker itself and you could connect it in a few seconds. It just takes a tap and you could easily start playing your music from your device. Okay, so this Divoom ONBEAT-500 is available on eBay and Amazon. The links are down in the description below. Please make sure to check it out if you are interested. Let me know if you have any suggestions on my next video, or if you have any questions about this product. Please make sure to leave them down in the comments below. I will check them out and I will reply to them personally. Thank you very much for watching my video once again. This is Matthew once again from Matchtech, signing off for the day. See you in the next video. Leave a thumbs up and remember to subscribe.